Hello again. We're still here on the main water valve here, right there. Actually, I figured it's leaking a bit, so instead of changing it right now, because I'd have to call the time of the year and everything, the city to come and shut the main valve off. They'd have to go and dig out the main valve in the ground and shut it off for the house. So right now I'm going to hold off because there's still got snow outside. Instead of getting a new valve, I'm just going to take this one apart because it came off, actually just was loose. Take it apart and just change the gaskets inside. See that this unscrews here. Just pop it out like that. There's there. The valve. There's actually two gaskets. There's this one here. And there's one inside. So there's the valve there. Put it in vise here. Put it in a vise. Just unscrew it here, you'll see that the whole thing will come apart. There you go, and there's the inner seal that needs to be changed. So you just get something in here. I'm using like a little pry bar. I guess it's not really like a prick bar or whatever. To get that seal off. That just comes right off, and you can buy a kit and change that. This one here, just a screwdriver. Okay, so I got it in a vise now. And you just take the screwdriver here, just take that screw out that's holding in that gasket, and there's the gasket.